Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad? Or you just don't think that it is possible because you are broke or because you don't have money in your pockets, on your bank account? Hello, in today's video, I want to bust your bubble. You can actually travel to the UK for free. If this is something you're interested in, you know how we do it now. Keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, oh yeah, introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you and I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you guys are the best. Thank you for always sharing my videos. Kilo, day, God, I heard you guys. Thank you. God bless you. And to all of you that are seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourselves as well. Make sure that you introduce yourself in the comments. So, oh yeah, I'm waiting. So, guys, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. I don't know if you can see one hand there. Okay, that's my mannequin. In case you're wondering. So, this is one of my pieces. I'm a fashion designer and I'm based here in California. I publish 3 videos every week on this particular channel. Make sure that you join the family so that you don't miss out. Because me, I'm always sharing all the freebies, all the scholarships. I can jackpot for free, I can travel abroad for free. And I also have a video. Yes, I have information on how you can relocate to UK without coming to study, not through the study route. And I'm going to be sharing with you in my next episodes. But if you want me to drop it in my next video, just type share the UK opportunity in the comments. Just type it in the comments, share the UK opportunity. Yes. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So, besties, have you heard of the Chevening Scholarship in the United Kingdom? Do you know that you can get a fully funded master's degree in the UK, which is sponsored or powered by the Chevening Scholarship 2025? Have you ever dreamed of sipping tea in London while earning a world-class education for free? Guys, it is very possible because the Chevening Scholarship can make that dream come true. If you're looking for a fully funded master's in the UK, this is one of the best opportunities available. Guys, Chevening is the UK government's international awards program, and they are offering scholarships to future leaders like you, to influencers and decision makers. And it covers over 12,000 courses at over 150 UK universities. So your opinions are huge. In case you're wondering what is included, here is what you get. You get full tuition for a 1-year master's degree, monthly living stipend, round trip airfare, they'll pay for your flights, arrival and departure allowances, access to exclusive events and leadership training. Basically, you get the royal treatment. Literally, to apply, you must be from a Chevening eligible country. Check the list. And you must have an undergraduate degree, have at least 2 years of work experience, show leadership potential, and a commitment to making a difference in your home country. And yes, you have to commit to returning home after your studies. First thing you need to do is start planning early because you will need a strong personal statement. Number 2, recommendation. Yes, have a clear vision of your own impact. Then choose 3 UK courses wisely and they must match your goals. The UK is calling, and so is your future. Your future is calling. If you're ready to join the elite global Chevening network, hit the like button on this channel. If you have not introduced yourself, please go ahead and do that. Apply early and apply wisely. Are you considering studying abroad? Guys, it is worth it, in my own opinion. Beyond academics, studying abroad is a game changer for building a powerful global network, and here is why. Number 1, diverse connections. Studying abroad connects you with peers, professors, professionals from different cultures and industries. Now, these relationships can open doors to international career opportunities. You also get global perspective. Engaging with diverse viewpoints, they help to enhance your own adaptability and your cultural intelligence skills. Now, employers, they value your skills in today's interconnected world. You also get in touch with, you get access to alumni networks, global alumni communities. You can also tap into these networks and it can lead to mentorship, internships, and of course, job prospects. You can also, get events and collaborations, from international conferences to campus clubs. You'll have countless opportunities to network with leaders, industry leaders, and like-minded peers. You also get career boosts. Relationships built abroad can translate into recommendations. It can translate into partnerships or even startup collaborations in the future. Guys, studying abroad is not just about a degree. It's about building a network that spans the globe. Now, are you ready to take the leap? Go ahead and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you traveled abroad before? Is this your first time of traveling? I mean, are you hoping to travel one of these days? I tell you, with or without money in your bank account, you can make this dream come true, because I am here to support you all the way. I am here to give you valuable information. I'm here to do all the research for you guys. So if you want to choose between countries, you've been dreaming of traveling to China, or you just don't know how possible it is, here on this channel, I will share with you a lot of information that you will not find elsewhere. So make sure that you join the family. Click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, join the family, and turn on the notification bell, so that every single time I post a new video on this channel, you're among the first to get notified of it. Here on this channel, we are not hoarding information. If you have any question, you want to see me one-on-one, you want to have a personal chat, with me personally, I'm talking business, scholarships, travel, education. I'm not talking about anything outside of that, so that's what I mean by personal. Like, you want to schedule a one-on-one consultation with me, then you have to join my Patreon community, or you can join my channel membership. You can find the join button right next to the subscribe button over there, and once you join that, you can now book a one-on-one consultation with me. So guys, I am telling you, your dreams of traveling abroad or studying abroad is very valid. You just need to know where to look. And guys, when I was back in the university, there are lots of opportunities that are out there that people are not willing to share with you. I discovered an opportunity, for students living in Nigeria, because I'm originally from Nigeria. Before I became an American citizen, I realized in my 400 level, despite the fact that I've been involved in campus politics, on the departmental level, I just didn't hear about this opportunity, this information. I didn't know that people can actually, get funded. There are lots of institutions that fund student school fees, even within Nigeria. And I shared the video, one of my videos, my previous videos. Make sure that you go check it out. I mean, this is the best I can do, is to share the information with you guys, and it's up to you to now go ahead and also share. Let's make it go viral. Let's make my videos go viral, because here I'm sharing with you valuable information. Do you know that Shell gives out scholarship every year? They pay for your tuition from 200 level till your final year. 200 level, 300 level, 400, and even up to 500 if you're studying a 5-year course. And if you're studying a 4-year course, they pay for your tuition from 200 level all the way to your final year, to your 400 level. And people will not tell you, they'll keep quiet about it. Please, I share the video on my channel. Yeah, so go ahead and check it out. Shell is giving out scholarships to Nigerian students specifically. Yes, the Shell scholarship is specifically for Nigerian students all over Nigeria, in Nigerian universities. So go check it out. And I also have a lot of opportunities. I shared a lot of opportunities, how you can study in the United States for free, how you can study in the UK for free, just like this one. Guys, don't sleep on it. And you have a variety of universities to choose from. And it can be as a result of, maybe you have a cousin or someone, a relative or a friend that lives in that country that is encouraging you to apply to some schools. And good thing is, this particular scholarship is open to, I think about 150 schools, so you can choose from any of these universities and get access to these scholarships. There are lots and lots of them out there, but if you don't know, you don't know what you don't know, right? So make sure that you join the family, subscribe to my channel, share this video. Let's make it go viral. Share this video among your friends, your peers, your university, community. Share it with your classmates, your roommates, your church members, your mosque members, your Facebook friends, Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, Telegram community, Naira Land, Reddit. Just share it on Twitter. Tell a friend to tell a friend, even share it on LinkedIn if you can. And that is it, guys. If you have any question, let me know. Don't forget to join my Patreon community, or you can join my channel membership. And if you want to book a 1-hour consultation with me, request for it in the comments, and I can as well put the link in the comments as well. So guys, I wish you all the best in your applications, and I can't wait to see you soar and go to the next level. Take care of yourselves, and God bless you. Bye for now. Love you.